Hi friends, welcome back to our Justin with TypeScript series. Last class we have seen the how to select the each and every property and action instead of the selecting the all the properties at a time. But in this class, we are going to deep dive into the this property selection of this property. We are going to use the second way, like how to select the these functions. Like we have seen the properties and functions like this, but we are going to one more way, like how to select the functions in the more optimization way. Here we are going to first create the one component called cat controller. Okay, first I'm going to create the component, then I'm going to write the optimization code tsx cat controller dot tsx. Going to make it as a capital. I'm going to copy some code from the here. Copy, remove this and paste here. Going to select this part. Instead of this cat box, I'm going to select cat controller controller. Everywhere it is changed. If you see this here, I'm going to remove the properties here. This one also I'm going to remove summary also. I'm going to only left with two things like increase big cat and increase small cats. These three, and I'm going to remove the these things also. I'm going to only left with two buttons. I'm going to here I'm going to leave the this random function also, random function or method we called it, and I'm going to add these two buttons like add big cat and add small cats. Save this file and run the application. Npm run dev. Go to the browser, localhost 5173. Two components are there. Go to the app component and here add the cat controller component. If you observe this, here we have the two things. Here we have the not two things, sorry, three things we are have here. Like one is a cat box, first one is a cat box, and second one is a cat box 2 component. Third one is a like a cat controller component. These three. If you want to make it as a name, go to here and change the name for the each and every component. Here instead of this cat store, cat box. Here also change cat box to here also cat controller. Cat controller or CTRL. You can make it as a controller. Go to the browser. Once again refresh this. See cat box to cat CTRL, cat controller. If you want to make it as a side by side each and every component, go to here and create one div here instead of here div grid grid column 3 here and grid column 3 and paste the three components. If you want to see the browser, now it is side by side, but it looks like a ugly. Make it as a two components. Okay, it's now good. It's now good. You can take the one but heading also if you want. Zustand with TypeScript course. TypeScript course. Can make here. If you want, you can give the text 3XL and font bold and text center. Text center and y-axis 4. Okay. If you we are going to the actual content. If you see this, if you we have already seen these two things. If you click on this, see it is incrementing here and here also. If you click on this one also, here it is incrementing here and here. If you click on the small button, see only it is incrementing here only. Because of here there is a no property of the small cats. We have in the previous class we have here we have used the selecting the each and every property and action instead of the selection of instead of selection of the all the properties. All the properties are like all the properties and actions. But if you observe here, there is a way like not like this. Go to the cat controller. Or this is increase big cats comma increase small cats equal to use cat store of state dot state. If you see state, or you can select like this also. If you remove like this also, see once again refresh this, add this one, it is incrementing. If you observe this, once again refresh this. If you observe the all the components once again, if you add this button, this one changing like this component cat box one is changing, cat box 2 also changing, and cat controller component also changing. Why? Because of we have used here we have used the instead of selecting the each and every variable, we have selected the some components at a time, like some actions, some behaviors at a time, or you can call it as some functions at a time using the direct way use cat store. uh, Here there is a disadvantage. Not only we are going to not only we have in the if you see in the cat box too, we have selected like this, but there is a way of selecting the auto selection. There is a concept called auto selection. If you refer the Justin documentation, open the Justin documentation. There is a in the guidance auto generating selector, or not auto selectors, like auto generating selector. We recommend using selectors when you are using the either properties or actions from the store. You can access values from the store like this. They have told the use like this, but instead of, however, writing this could be tedious. However, writing this could be, we have seen this one in the previous class, but however writing this could be tedious. The if that is the case for you, you can auto generate your selectors. Like you can auto generate your selectors. For that, there is a code is given. You can please copy that and paste in your, go to the store, thus create one file called create store dot js, not js, ts. Here paste the code. Once again, I'm going to go to the Justin documentation in the guidance in the auto generating selectors. In this, if you once again carefully read this documentation, there is a given already we have did this thing. selection of each and every properties or actions. But however, writing this could be tedious. If that is case, you can auto generate your selectors like this. There is a code also given. You can follow this code. You can follow this code, and here we are going to do some changes, like instead of the let, you can change it to const. Here also key also const, change it to const. Here you have to export this. Student should export this. My job is finished. How to use this? How to inject this into our store means, here if you have store like this, you can inject the store like a apply the function to your store. Like you have to bind like this. You have to first auto selector, copy this function name, go to the your use cat store and go to first import that thing. Import. Not again. I'm going to change this name to create selector. I think create selector. Okay. Here you can import this create selectors from the create selector. Okay. You can make it as well. So selectors. Okay, no problem. Update here also updated. You can wrap this create selectors and wrap this entire code into here. See, now it is completed, but it's still there is a now selectors are auto generated and you can access them directly. You can use this. There is a you can ignore this one, but get the access of the actions. Like if you want to use these functions like increment big cats and increment small cats, there is a way of here given that you have to use this use bear store log dot use dot increase. Instead of this increase, we are going to use these function names. Like what is that function names? These function names like increase big cats and increased small cats. I'm going to remove all of these things. This one also remove, and come here you can want to comment constant increase big cats equal to use cat store dot use dot increase big cats function. Next one is increase small cats equal to use cat store dot use dot increase small cats function. If you want to, you can remove this one and make it as a remove. Go to our application. Once refresh this application, now we can render this application. See, if you increase this add big cats, if you click on this add big cats, it is incrementing here, and it is functional component also re-rendering. But if you click on this, see this random function is not this random function here only updating here only changing here only, not here, because of there is no property here and in this function. If you click on here also, see, if you click on the add big cats in the cat controller component also, this it is changing here and here like a cat box and cat box 2, but it is not changing. It is not reloading. The component is not reloading um, in the cat controller component. If you once again increment this one, see, only it is increasing the random. It is increasing the cat box only because of the properties available in the cat box only. It is not available in the other components like cat box 2 and cat controller. Like this, we are going to achieve the optimization of the components and application also. And there is a one more way also there. In the next class we are going to see how to use that way. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.